Once upon a time, a king placed a large boulder in the middle of a road. He then hid nearby to see if anyone would move it. Many rich merchants and noblemen walked by and simply went around the boulder. They complained loudly that the king should keep the roads clear, but none of them tried to move the stone. One day, a peasant came along, carrying a load of vegetables. When he saw the boulder, he put down his vegetables and tried to push the stone out of the way. After much hard work and effort, he finally managed to move it. As the peasant picked up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the spot where the boulder had been. Inside the purse were many gold coins and a note from the king. The note explained that the gold was a reward for the person who removed the boulder from the road. The moral of the story is that every obstacle we face is a chance to improve our situation. While lazy people only complain, those who work hard and help others create new opportunities. By being kind, generous, and willing to tackle challenges, we can turn difficulties into rewards.